Hi everybody, I'm Jason Yates, Vice President of Marketing and Hairdresser for John Paul Mitchell Systems. We're so excited to introduce our latest tool from Neuro coming March 2015. It's called Neuro Motion. This is the latest innovation from John Paul Mitchell Systems in hairdryers. Now I just want to share some of the cool, unique features and benefits with this. Of course, it's working with our Smart Sense filter technology. The Smart Sense filter has a microchip inside, and what that does is it indicates to the stylist when this needs to be cleaned, which is really important. How you see that is this filter light starts to blink. That alerts you to clean the filter. It keeps the dryer working at its optimum best. The microchip also means that the heat is even, it's instant, the controls are very, very precise. But what's unique and new about this dryer is, first of all, it's working with a DC motor, which is very lightweight. This is about 30% lighter than the average hairdryer. It's also working with ionic technology, and it's the first dryer to offer motion technology. So let me share with you how the Neuro Motion works. First of all, when I pick it up, I notice how light it is. That's because of the DC motor that we've incorporated. Even though it's lightweight, we didn't give anything else away. It's 1875 watts of power, so it's strong, it's powerful, it dries the hair faster than ever. It's also still working with the Smart Sense microchip filter inside, which sends a light indicator to tell me when to clean the filter, which is really useful in keeping the longevity of the dryer. It's powerful, it's ionic, but what's the most cool thing about this is the motion zones. We have two different motion zones. First of all, we have a motion zone on the nozzle, so if you're holding the dryer by the nozzle, it knows that you're holding it. We also have motion zones on the handle, and I'll show you how these motion zones work. So first of all, you switch the dryer on, switch it off, switch it on, turn up the power, you can use it. The minute you put the dryer down, it switches itself off, like so. And what's cool about this, think about it when you're in the salon, how many times are you blow drying a guest's hair and you have to put the dryer down to take a section or to apply product or to answer the phone. The great thing about this is it knows when you're holding it and it knows when you're not. So it saves time, it saves energy, and it saves effort. So great innovation from John Paul Mitchell Systems and Neuro. And like I said, two motion zones, one in the handle, one in the nozzle. So you'll see I haven't touched it. I pick it up and it comes back on. Set it down and it switches off. So we feel this is a great innovation that's going to again help you in the salon to be just the best professional you can be. So enjoy.
I travel a lot, and finding a good blow dryer on the road is literally impossible. So I created my own. Meet Baby Buttercup, the ultimate travel dryer. She's super compact but packs a powerful motor comparable to a full-size dryer. She uses ionic technology which seals the cuticle as you're drying, resulting in smoother, shinier hair. Ow! Plus, she also comes with 2 temperature settings and a cool shot button to lock in your style. And when it comes to packing, she comes with her own travel bag and conveniently folds to fit easily in your carry-on. It's the one thing I never forget.
Boarding pass and ID, please.
By using a Hot Tools dryer, you can create volume and texture or a look that is sleek and straight. For professional results, always work with clean hair. Gently towel dry hair to remove excess moisture. Divide hair into multiple layers using sectioning clips. Set your Hot Tools dryer to the appropriate setting for your hair type. Starting with the bottom section of hair, use a paddle brush or a round brush to style hair as you dry. By using a paddle brush or vent brush, you can create straight styles. A round brush is ideal for creating volume, curl, and texture while smoothing and drying. Remember to use the concentrator attachment to direct airflow down the hair shaft. This will help create the smoothest results. Finish each section with a cold shot blast to seal the cuticle and lock out frizz. Remove sectioning clips and release next layer of your hair. Repeat this process with remaining layers until all your hair has been completely styled. Do not concentrate airflow on any one area for an extended period of time. For curly hair, attach the diffuser to create volume and defined curls. To add volume at the crown, leave the round brush in your hair for 20 to 30 seconds. Use the cold shot to help set the style. To increase volume or add lift to thinner or flat hair, use your brush and Hot Tools dryer to direct the airflow in the opposite direction of the hair growth. You can change your hair every day by using a Hot Tools appliance. Legendary brand, magical results.